Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Yay! So, if you did not read by the title, I'm going to teach you all some tips, and I'm going to teach you all how to make the iOS 14. Now, some people get the update right away, like download it automatically, which actually that's not really how some people have it. So you go onto your settings. As you can see, there's this thing called general. Now you're gonna click general and you're gonna press this thing that says software update. If you already have it like I do, it will say that, but if you don't, it will make you updated it. And it might take a while to update. It depends on what type of phone you have. My friend had the iPhone 11 and it worked really fast for her, so helped her a lot. And yeah, so the first tip is to go onto Pinterest and choose an aesthetic. So if you don't really know what aesthetic you want, just choose aesthetic wallpaper, and if there's one you like, for example, say I like this picture, it will show me more pictures kind of related to it. Or if you're sure what aesthetic you want, just search the aesthetic that you would like. So say I want this aesthetic, and it will just show that aesthetic. So that really helps. And if you're wondering what app this is Pinterest. You can get your pictures wherever you want, but I recommend Pinterest because it's probably the best one for this. As you can see here, some cute pictures. So, and it also lets you choose what type of ones you want. So yeah, I would choose Pinterest, and make sure to count the pictures you want and stuff. So that helps too. Alright. Now, those are some of my tips. So now, if you are done, I'm going to teach you how to do this widget smith and stuff, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first, you go on to widget smith, which you should have downloaded it because you're going to need to, and if you can't download it, you're not going to be able to do this. So say I want that little clock thing. I will choose whatever one I want. Like this one, say I wanted that one. Now I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to go to you're gonna edit home screen, and you're gonna see this little shaking button. You are gonna click the plus button once it's shaking, and you are going to scroll all the way down, and it's gonna show you Widgetsmith. Add the size that you picked. I picked medium, so I'm gonna press add widget. Okay. So now that this widget was added, say I want to make it like this clock right here, I am going to need this other app called Color Widgets. As you can see, there's many to choose from. So choose whichever one you would like and say I want this one, so I'm going to press it widget, and you're going to do the exact same process. So you're going to press edit home screen, you're going to add, instead of doing widgetsmith, you are going to do color widgets, which should be the 5th one. If it's not, that is fine. Just keep scrolling, you should find it. So now I'm going to press add widget. I can remove this one. So now it should be added. So how to add pictures with widgets. Smith is very simple as well. So I'm going to go with small for this one. So as you can see, I already added this one. Basically, all you do is you go into time, you scroll, and then there's custom. And you are going to click photo, and you can select your picture. I chose that one. And now you are going to do the same process, like always, like again, widgetsmith, and you're going to press small, and say it shows up the wrong one. This happened to me a lot. Do not delete it. It's going to keep happening and happening and happening. You're going to click on this, and you're going to press what number it was, and mine was number 9, and it works. And now, last but not least, I'm going to teach you all how to add pictures to your apps. So I don't really use this app, so I'm going to use this one. Now I am going to get my picture, and I'm going to go onto shortcuts. So say that. So now that you chose your pictures, you are going to go on to shortcuts, which basically comes with the iPhone, but if you delete it, just go to the App Store and search it and scroll, and it should be there. So now that you're going to click on shortcuts, you're going to click this plus button, which is in the upper corner, and you're going to press add action. There's going to be scripting and apps, favorites, media, add scripting. Click on it. Then it's going to be all of this ways. Ignore that and press open app. Now you're going to choose the app that you used. Now I chose Google Earth, so I'm going to click Google Earth, and now you're going to click these 3 dots on the lower corner right here. Now you're going to name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Google Earth. And now you're going to press this button called Add to Home Screen. Now you're going to name it how you want again. Google Earth. And now you're going to choose your profile picture that you want. Say I want this one, which do crop it to however you want. This, and I'm going to press choose. I'm going to add, and then you're going to press done. Okay. Now you're going to press done, done, and done. As you can see, and as you can see, like, there's a little picture. Now that you have that app, you are going to edit the home screen, click the little minus sign, and move the app to library. If you delete it, it will not work anymore. So now you're going to click on it. Here it is, and keep on repeating with all your apps. And I really hope this helped. Bye!